Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. We made it to Sunday. We're on day number 175 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys. We are in month number 5 of this challenge. Just wanted to share with you guys how easy it is to earn income online with this method. All right. So if you guys, really don't understand what's going on here, go back and watch these previous videos on this channel so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Again, we are on day number 175. I'm going to take you guys over here to My Legion Secret. If you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine on how many accounts that you have with this system. Okay. Now, the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you will get. So say, for instance, you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. If you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on one account and then 100 on the next. Now, once you get a sign up underneath that second account, both of those accounts will have 200 leads in both of those. Okay. Which will give you 3 accounts, which will you'll have either 200 in both of those accounts, or you sign up underneath yourself and you'll get 3 accounts and have 100 underneath that last account. All right. So that's pretty much how it works, guys. The cool thing about My Legion Secret, why I love them so much, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you can literally sign up today and then sign up underneath your own accounts, which you will be stacking your accounts on top of each other. Okay. So that way you're going to be able to accumulate thousands upon thousands of people every single day. Okay. That will come into this back office. These leads will stay with you. These business opportunity leads, guys, with My Legion Secret, these people care about making money online. All right. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is for us to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. We create an email, okay, surrounded by whatever offer that we are promoting, and we send it out to this traffic and we somehow get results, get subscribers, and in the end, we get sales from customers. All right. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit what's going on here with My Legion Secret. There's going to be 2 ways that you can make money, 2 popular ways that you can make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Number one is going to be promoting My Legion Secret itself. You can literally come in here, create an email, take the affiliate link, which is right here, take your own affiliate link, and send the traffic out. Send that email out to this traffic with your affiliate link, and you will make money just by promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay. The next way that you can make money with My Legion Secret is by using an affiliate network. Okay. To make money from as well. So you can literally grab an affiliate network such as ClickBank, My Legion, not My Legion Secrets, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There are tons of different CPA networks that you guys can go sign up and be a part of, and you can make money from those companies using this traffic. All right. Now, for the sake of this video, we are using a place called ClickBank because in my research and me being with this company for a while, I noticed that ClickBank offers do convert the best with this traffic, in my opinion. Okay. So I recommend going to clickbank.com and creating you a free account and then using those offers on ClickBank to send out to this traffic. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now, guys. I totally love the service, guys. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And, this will work for you if done correctly. All right. Now, one thing about this traffic, guys, this is cold traffic. So these people need to get warmed up to your offer, warmed up to what you're doing first, okay, before you start getting subscribers and getting sales with this method, okay. So I just wanted to throw that out there to you guys. This is not some get rich quick scam or anything like that. This is a real company. They have real subscribers. I've been doing this over a few years now. You can take my word for it that this does work. Okay. And if it didn't, I wouldn't be doing it myself and I wouldn't be shooting these videos here with you every single day. All right. So another thing about the My Lead Gen secret, guys, with this traffic, guys, there's going to be three ways that you can send out an email. Okay. Number one is going to be creating an email. Okay. If you're good at creating ad copy, coming up with stuff, off the top of your head, all you have to do is create your own email, grab the affiliate link that you want to get paid from, enter that into your email, and then click send, and then boom, you're gonna get clicks and leads from this traffic. Another way to send out an email is to by using a email AI service or a chat GPT or something like that. Something where you can go ask the chat GPT to create you an email based on the offer that you are promoting. Okay. The third way to send out an email is going to be using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. So on ClickBank, they do have it in the marketplace. They have a section called e-business, e-marketing. There's about 4 different offers in there, and they have about 20 different email swipes that you guys can use that are free, that are known to convert. All right. So pretty much all you have to do is go grab one of those offers, copy and paste it over to this system. That's super easy to do. Now, if you go back and watch my previous videos in the beginning of this challenge, I go in great detail on how to go grab the offer from ClickBank, copy and paste it over to the system, which is super easy to do, guys. All right. So if you come down here, I'm just going to show you one of these emails that what it would look like for you if you were to go grab an email from ClickBank. There's going to be a subject line right here, and then there's going to be a body of text, and then there's going to be a clickable link that you can create, and this clickable link is going to take our prospects to our affiliate page. Okay, our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. So us as affiliate marketers, all our job is to do is to solve a problem on what this traffic is looking for. These people care about making money. All we got to do is go grab the email swipes that are ready, that are known to convert for the specific offer. We grab those emails, we send them over to this traffic, guys, and the affiliate link is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Excuse me. Do have some allergies going on right now, so excuse me if I'm coughing. Okay. Now, that's pretty much all you have to do is you have to just copy and paste those emails over to the system. If you have any issues, go back and watch the previous videos that I put out in this video series. I'll walk you guys through this step by step on how to do it. All right. That's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the system. Those are the ways to send out the emails. And there's going to be 2 popular ways that you can make money with this program. And I just explained both of those to you. If you don't remember what I'm saying, go back and watch this video and watch it again. Watch it as many times as you need to get the grasp of this method. All right. Now, with me having 8 accounts, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out these emails every single day. Okay, so it takes no time at all to send these emails out. Me personally, I like sending out my emails at night. Okay, just what's best for me. But you don't have to send your emails at night. You can do it early in the morning, afternoon, however you want to send out your emails, guys. You can do it whatever way that you want. Okay. Now, me personally, I've already sent out my emails for the night. So I'm good to go until tomorrow night. All right. Now I'm gonna take you over here to one of my ClickBank accounts. I have several ClickBank accounts, but I only created this one account just for this video series, just to show you guys that this stuff does work, and that you can get paid from ClickBank. All right. It's super easy to do. Now I've been with ClickBank over a century. Okay. It kind of tells my age, but I've been with ClickBank for a very long, for a while now, 20 plus years that I've been with ClickBank, and they are awesome. Okay. I've been making with money with ClickBank for a long time now. Okay. Now this is one ClickBank account that I can show you. This account, guys, is specifically using the My Lead Gen Seeker traffic. The sales that I'm getting are only from My Lead Gen Seekers. Okay, so I can tell you that up front right now. All right. So today, let's go ahead and look at the time. Let's see here. Today is October the 19th. As you can see, it's October 19th down here. It's 10 p.m. Eastern time or Central time. Now I can tell you that this is not no type of screenshot. These are not fake results or anything like that. These are real results and real commissions. Okay. Now this, what I like doing, guys, I like showing you guys the last 30 days of this method. That way you can see the algorithm on what to expect if it was you actually getting started with this. You can kind of see, what it would look like for you once you get to month 5. Okay. It could look like either something like this or it could even be better. It just depends on your motivation to come in and send out emails every single day. Okay. So what I would recommend you guys doing is following along, creating your account, getting started. Okay, create your multiple accounts, at least 3 accounts. 5 is going to be the sweet spot. Okay, that's where you're going to start seeing results a lot faster. Okay, I wouldn't recommend just getting one account because it's going to take you forever to get where you need to be, where you're in profit. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. This is the last 30 days. As you can see, guys, this is the algorithm. Okay, we are making sales pretty consistent. Okay, we're not getting sales every single day, but as you can see, we're getting sales. Some of these sales are back to back. All right, 4 sales in a row right here. 4 sales in a row. You're missing a couple of days. You got sales back to back, missing a day, sales back to back, missing a day, sales back to back, missing a day, and sales back to back. And we did earn some money today. Okay, we got paid. I mean, we earned a commission today. Okay. Now the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much as well, is they pay every Friday. Okay, so everything that you do with ClickBank, with their offers, they will pay you every single Friday. Okay, so you will have money coming in every week. Okay, so I got paid on Friday. Okay, which is really cool. Direct deposit. You can either do direct deposit or check or however you want to get paid. But the cool thing is that you can receive money every single week. Okay, and once you receive that income, it's just going to start coming every single week. Okay. So the cool thing is that, the hardest thing about this thing, guys, is getting started first. All right. What I did do is I left a link below this video. So if you come down here, click on the More tab. Click on this link where it says MLGS True Freedom. Click on that link, guys. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret landing page. You come down here. Just check out this landing page, guys. There's other people that are making money with this program. Okay, I'm not the only one earning income. Okay, there's other people that are doing it. All right, and there's other networks that are on here. This is Warrior Plus. I mean, as you can see, there's tons of people making money with this program. As you can see, this person right here made money from Warrior Plus, and this is what I was trying to tell you guys before that Warrior Plus, you can receive commissions from Warrior Plus as well. Okay, it's not only ClickBank or Max Bounty or even My Lead Gen Secret. You can promote other CPA networks that you can promote and you will make money from. Okay, so you just pick one and stick with it, and then stick with it until you make money. All right. So I'm just showing you testimonials of other people making money. That way, it's just not just me. And if you go on YouTube, there are other people doing this as well. Okay, there's other people making money. All right. So if you guys want to get started, which I would recommend, okay, click on the join MLGS now right here. Click on the link below my video. I do got some bonus emails to send you guys if you decide to join today under my link. I do have some cool emails for you where you can kind of hit the ground running. Okay, there's a one-time charge of $60, $30 a month to keep the service. I mean, it's a no-brainer, guys. I'm not going to sit here and convince you to join or not join. If you join, it's going to help you out tremendously where you're going to start making money. If you don't join and you just, be on the fence, then I'm still going to keep making these videos and I'm still going to keep sending out my emails and I'm going to still keep getting paid. Okay. So it's either you can jump on the bandwagon on what everybody else is doing, or you can sit on the sideline and you can wait until, whatever happens. Okay. So, or until you run out of money. All right. So it's pretty simple, guys. Like I said, this is just income stream that you can add to your collection if you already have a job or if you're already making money online. This is just something that you can do. So I would recommend click on join MLGS now. Go ahead and get started today. Also subscribe to this channel, okay? Because I got a lot of cool stuff coming. Not only are we going to be doing mileage and secret stuff, we're going to be doing other paid advertising down the road. This True Freedom, channel I made just for you guys, just to show you cool things that you can do online to make money. Okay, I've been in this space over a century, making money online. So I just wanted to show you guys, one specific method that I know for a fact that anybody can do. Okay, all you have to do is follow what I'm showing you in this video. Okay, and the only way you're not going to do this, okay, is if you don't send out emails and if you don't follow what I'm showing you. Okay, that's the only way you're not going to make money. Other than that, you follow what I say, you're gonna, be on track to make results like this come month 3 to 5. Okay, guys. So we're in month number 5 of this video series. We're not even halfway through our video series yet. We still got a lot to go, a lot of ground to cover. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow and see you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.